In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule events in Basecamp. Whether you're coordinating a team meeting or planning a project milestone, adding events to your Basecamp calendar is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Basecamp's website by typing in basecamp.com in the address bar. Once you arrive at the homepage, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This will bring you to your Basecamp dashboard, where you can see all your active projects. Next, you'll want to select the project you're working on. Look through your list of projects displayed on the dashboard. Once you find the correct one, click on it. This action will take you into the specific project space where you can manage all related activities. Now that you're inside your chosen project, it's time to find the calendar. In Basecamp, the calendar is typically labeled as Schedule or Events within your project's menu. Scan through the options and click on it when you find it. This will open up the project's calendar view, showing you all upcoming events and deadlines. Once you're looking at the calendar, you'll see an option to add a new event. Look for a button or link that says New Event or something similar, usually located at the top of the calendar interface. Click on this to start creating your event. In the New Event window, you'll need to provide a name for your event. This is a crucial step because the event name is what team members will see at a glance on their calendars. Make sure to choose a descriptive and clear name that accurately reflects the purpose of the event. After naming your event, the next step is to specify the date and time. You'll usually see a calendar pop-up or a date and time picker where you can select when the event will take place. Carefully choose the start and, if necessary, the end time for your event. This ensures everyone knows exactly when to be ready. Finally, after you've named your event and set the date and time, look for the option to finalize or save the event. This is often labeled as Post this event or Save. Clicking this will add the event to the project's calendar, making it visible to all team members associated with the project. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled an event in Basecamp. This simple process helps keep your team organized and informed about important dates. Remember, keeping everyone on the same page is key to successful project management. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Basecamp's help resources or reach out to your team for guidance. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.